Good morning, peeps. I am Naman Singhal, currently pursuing BTech in CSE in third semester from Graphic Area deemed to be University, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, batch 2021 to 25. Today I showcase my presentation on the topic Cloud Computing Service Models. So, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, and on-demand network access to a set pool of configurable computing service. Example network servers, storage applications, and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. So, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resource via the internet which pay as you go pricing instead of buying owing maintaining physical data centers and servers. You can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and database on as needed basis from a cloud provider. So, what is cloud computing service models? There are three main models of cloud computing. Each model represents a different part of the cloud computing stack. So, first is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Second is PaaS, platform as a service. And the third one, SaaS, software as a service. So, this is how cloud service models look like. The IaaS, infrastructure as a service, provide user a virtual machine, server, storage, and networks. Platform as a service provide user database, web servers, and deployment tools. Software as a service provide to the user applications like CRM, email, games, virtual desktops, which client can use through web browser, mobile app. So let's take a look at the example. Here, pizza as a service where in premises where a company making their product or a software. Then comes IaaS where infrastructure is provided to make the software, then PaaS, that is providing you a delivery as a service platform to make software, and then last one SaaS, software as a service, where we are providing the infrastructure and everything all you have to do in use them. So infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service, sometimes abbreviated as IaaS, contains the basic building blocks from cloud IT and typically provide access to networking features, computers, and data storage space. Virtualization. Virtualization is a way of implementing cloud computing. Virtualization is a technique which allows to share a single physical instance of a resource or an application among multiple customers and organizations. Creation of a virtual machine over existing operation system hardware is known as hardware virtualization. The machine on which the virtual machine is going to be built is known as host machine. That virtual machine is referred as a guest machine. Type of virtualization. Basically, there are six types of virtualization. First one is hardware virtualization. Second, operating system virtualization. Third, server virtualization. Fourth, storage virtualization. Fifth, data virtualization. Software, and the last one, sixth, is software virtualization. What is hardware virtualization and operating system virtualization? So basically, hardware virtualization, when the virtual machine software or virtual machine manager is directly installed on the hardware system, is known as hardware virtualization. And when the virtual machine software or virtual machine manager is installed on the host operating system instead of directly or hardware system, is known as virtualization. Server virtualization. When the virtual machine software or virtual machine manager is directly installed on the server system, is known as server virtualization. Type of server virtualization: full virtualization and para virtualization. Storage virtualization. Storage virtualization is the process of grouping the physical storage from multiple network storage devices so that it looks like a single storage device. Storage virtualization is also implemented by using software application. Data virtualization. Data virtualization is the process of retrieve data from various resources without knowing its type and physical location where it is stored. This heterogeneous data can be accessed using any application such as web portals, web service, e-commerce, and software as a service and mobile applications. Software virtualization. Software virtualization and distribution becomes typical task for IT department. Installation mechanism differs from application to application. Platform as a service. Platform as a service is a complete deployment and development environment in the cloud with resources that enable you to deliver everything from simple cloud-based apps to sophisticated cloud-enabled enterprise applications. You manage the application and service you develop, and the cloud service provider typically manage everything else. Software as a service. Software as a service is a way of delivering application over the internet as a service. Instead of installing maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet. The provider manages access to the application including security, availability, and performance. So these are the sources from where we have taken the matter. I can attach these links in my description, and thank you very much.